Hey Glam Fam, so today we're going to do a quick review and demo of these winged eyeliners. So, let's get into it. These are by the brand EVP CT Cosmetics. It looks like this. There is one that is a smaller wing and one is a bigger wing. We are going to try the big wing out because go big or go home. Really quick before we get into this video, hello, my name is Josie. I hope you will click that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glam Fam. It is almost Glamoween on my channel, which means so many Halloween videos during the month of October. I also have a Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. They are also at Beautybyjosiek. I hope you go follow me over there. And let's jump into this video. This is what the eyeliner looks like itself. Here is the stamp itself. I'm just gonna do a couple tests on my hand. Alright, that's not too bad. I will say it's pretty inky, which is good. Already done my makeup, and we are ready for the liner. I am a little scared on how I'm going to get the angle right on each side, but let's just jump in and build on this. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Hello. By the way, I will link this liner in the description below if you guys would like to try it. Here you go. Here's the stamp. I'm just going to angle it up and just stamp it down. We're just going for it. Actually, that's a pretty good outline. Oh, I'm pleasantly surprised. We're gonna do the other one, and this is gonna be the hard part, matching it up. Not too bad. So now the point of this is that you have this wing shape to go by to fill in the rest of your eyeliner. So, just going to fill in the rest of the eyeliner. Doing a thin trace here. And then we're just going to connect this. So just pull and color it in. All right, not too bad. That is the liners on. What we're gonna do with this one is to match it with this one. I'm just going to add a thicker line to this bottom piece to make it look like it's going up at an angle a little bit more. Just like that. All right, so now I'm just going to fill in the bottom portion of my liner just to connect this portion right here to underneath the eye. All right, since I have a halo eye going on, I'm just going to skip this middle part and go straight into my tear duct with the dark. I'm not mad at it. There's this one little spot that I have to cover because I messed up the eyeliner, but no biggie. Actually, that's pretty nice. I'm very impressed. Wow. All right, let me go finish my makeup. I'll be right back. All right, guys, makeup is finished. I did not apply falsies today, but all in all, I actually think that if you are someone that struggles with eyeliner or maybe even struggles with like a big, like a fat eyeliner, this would actually really help you. Not so much as in stamp, I'm done, but something as in stamp, and now I have an outline to follow. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. But anyway, I will link them in the description down below if you would like to check them out. They're actually pretty affordable, which is pretty awesome considering that they worked, you know, pretty well for an outline. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become a part of the GlamFam. And we'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!